p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts and winds 34 knots or greater, located near Tampa Bay. The severe thunderstorm was nearly stationary. Locations impacted include Courtney Campbell Causeway, Port Manatee Reef, Howard Franklin Bridge, Hillsborough Bay, Gandy Bridge, Southwest Channel, Old Tampa Bay, Terracea Bay, Carcoch Bay, Tampa Bay and Sunshine Skyway Bridge. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes.